Kenzie, get out of there. What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of McGrath Fishing. As you can see, I'm taking the cover off the boat. I'm gonna clean the whole boat down. I am gonna do a video today that you guys have been waiting for, that you guys have been wanting for a long time. It's a boat tour. But first, I gotta clean this boat because me, Rick, and Pete just got back from Madison yesterday, so I have to clean the boat. There's literally stuff everywhere. There is just fish guts, everything. And I also have some fish in the cooler as well. Some jumbo perch, some very big bluegill. I'll show you guys some of that. So this is kind of gonna be like a catch and cook slash boat tour slash whatever you really want it to be. And I'm also going to pick the 300 subscribers giveaway. I forgot to do it. I kind of spaced it. I've been so busy with all these videos, everything I'm doing, so my apologies, but I'm gonna be picking the giveaway winner in this video. That was for 300 subscribers. We are at 392 as of right now, 11/24 on a Monday. I believe today's the 19th, something like that. I don't got my phone on me, but so we're gonna clean the boat, do a boat tour, clean the fish, and pick the giveaway winner today. So thank you guys for tuning in to another episode of McGrath Fishing, and here we go. I'm almost like 90% sure you guys don't want to see me clean my boat, so I'm going to end the camera here. I will check back in with you guys when I have the boat ready, and the boat tour will begin. Here we go. Oh man. Alright, so I just finished cleaning the boat. I scrubbed the carpet, the sides, the trolling motor, the motor, everything that you can even clean on this boat. It reeked like fish, reeked like bait, which is how it should be, but I just want to get it all nice and tidied up. Clean, smelling good. So the boat is officially done. I dried off the sides. I'm gonna let all the carpet dry. So I'm gonna quickly shower. I'll be back in 3, 2, 1. And I'm back, and I'm showered, I'm cleaned up, I'm feeling good. Let's get underway. Oh man, that shower, oops, felt amazing. So up here I have my Minn Kota 112-pound thrust, the Ultrax. I have a Helix 9 in the front, my foot pedal, and for the first storage compartment that's locked, what the hell? Have no idea why that's locked. So I have, this is, like I said, I just got back from Madison yesterday, which you guys will see that video, I believe, next week. Today is the 19th. I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna check that. I keep telling you it's 19th. I don't even know. Yep, it is the 19th. So I have my FTA rain jackets with a nice swim jig in it. Coolest part about this compartment is probably the hook storage. These are all single magnets that just kind of clip on like this. They go right on, and then you can clip any lure you want. So like, as you guys see, I have a ton up here. I have crankbaits, spinnerbaits, chatterbaits, topwater, a bunch of crankbaits. So got some towels, got some clothes, rod gloves. Can't leave the house without one Nike sock. I think this is Rick's jacket. I got Rick Domini's jacket in here as well. Gotta give that back to him. Alright, so I'm gonna be completely honest. As I was sitting here going through the first compartment, I had a wet soaking ass. So I sat down, the carpet is still sopping wet. I couldn't really tell because it's like warm from the sun. So I had to change, because right when I stood up, it was like, what the hell just happened? This is where I keep all my life jackets along with the throwable 2 first aid kit as well. Some ropes, a new handle for my trolling motor, which I did actually just break over the weekend. I tried lowering it and the handle just popped off, so that's good. But got my FT Outdoors hoodie in here. Some camera gear as well. Can't leave home without the Primal Urge foods. I keep this stocked. I got 2 of them in here. Awesome jerky. Use promo code MGF SAVE5 to save $5 off your first month's box. Kenzie, other than these lures, this one's pretty boring. This is all just like kind of where I just keep everything. Mostly just the storage. Like I said, a few Nike socks, the small things. All right, so if you come to the first rod holder. These are all my rods. I have a few others in the other one. I'll get to that in a second. So I have in total a 7-foot medium heavy. I have a 7-foot medium heavy spin cast with a Daiwa reel. This other one is also a Daiwa reel. So my biggest thing with my rods, I'm a huge St. Croix fan. I pretty much only fish St. Croix and Daiwa reels, but I also, because I like Shimano so much, I'll fish Shimano as well. All right, so this is all the rods that I use on a day-to-day basis. A majority being this spin cast, that bait caster. So telling you guys about my setups really wouldn't even be worth it because it's not what I use in my everyday, day-to-day going for bass. I'm primarily a bass angler. We had to fill the freezer. Hey, get out. What are you doing? So this is the other rod storage on the driver's side of the boat. I have 2 more St. Croix in here. These 2 are actually Rick's. So I gotta give those 2 back to him, as well as I got Pistol P's rod in here. I have another one of mine, which is a 6.6 medium power with a Shimano Stratic reel on it, 3000 size. 2 buoys. I have this YOLO-Tech power stick. It's a 53-inch stick. This goes back in where your light goes, so you kind of clip it in like this, and then it will hold the GoPro, so you can film the whole boat. I don't use this often. I probably should though. Got 2 rolls of paper towels in here. You never know when you're gonna need some dandy paper towels. I got this little oar in here, tiny little oar, just in case. And then my anchor light goes in here as well, but the anchor light's not in here. It's actually my truck, so you guys get the point though. So this is basically just a little bit more of, I use it for rod storage and miscellaneous things as well. So we have gone through this one, which is the life jackets. We've gone through this one, which is all my rods. We've gone through this one, which is the buoys, which you guys just saw. And now for the final 2 in the front of the boat, which I have another locked one, which I don't get why these are locked. So I have a GoPro Hero 7 in here, a JBL speaker that is one of the best speakers I've ever used, JBL. I'll leave a link to this speaker. Pretty decent size and it will get the job done. So I got some tackle. This is just miscellaneous jigs, sinkers, some 3-aught, 4-aught, 5-aught hooks, a bunch of Z-Man chartreuse hooks. Look how many I got there. That is probably over 50 to 60 hooks, so now you guys know that I'm super hell-bent on these hooks. These are one of my favorite hooks to use. It's a 10-ounce hook, chartreuse color, my go-to. As well as I got some swim bait hooks in here, shaky heads, drop shot hooks. This little, I'm pretty sure this came out of a mystery tackle box, I think earlier this year. I've thrown this about once. Kind of like a mini Alabama rig, which is pretty cool. So yeah, the basics. I got some crankbaits in here. This is all my top water. We got jitterbugs, poppers, frogs, hula poppers, which I don't really use those anymore. My go-to frog is these 2 right here, the Live Target. This is the white one, this is the brown one. It's this hollow body popper frog by Live Target, my favorite frog that I've ever used. As well as some swim bait hooks, some more normal chartreuse hooks, which I think those are crappie hooks. I'm not sure why those are in here. So I got some Senko hooks over here, some smaller size hooks, some red hooks that I found randomly, weedless hooks, more swim bait hooks, tubes, I got some jig hooks, and as well as a few more kind of Ned hooks in a way. And I also got some bladed jigs. So not a bad selection out of here. This is just kind of, like I said, a random what I've been using. All right, so this is probably a super awkward angle, but I can't sit on this because it's all soaked. I've already gotten wet. So in this compartment right here, I have all my bags of baits. I have Neds, I have worms, tubes, craws, twisters, frogs, more craws, meps, jigs, my chest. Probably should take this out. I got my chest in here. I have another GoPro 7 in here as well. Some crappie stuff, but yeah, so this one's basically just all the soft plastics. These are all, and these all have assists too. So the nicest thing about this Nitro boat is these things. So all these stay up, they're all quality. But this is all the soft plastics. I do have some hard baits in that bag back there though. But this from everything from Ned, crappie, worms, swim baits, everything. I'm fully loaded to go in that one. So we come back to the glove box, the famous glove box. Oh, check this out. So there's a space right here. In this space, I don't use it for that. I put all my beef jerky in there. Any beef jerky that I eat or anything that I'm using, I stick it in there. Look, I have a full bag on the driver's side. It stays too, so you can be going 70 in the water. And your jerky's not gonna go anywhere. All right, so this is, oh man, some of this stuff got wet. That's not good. So the first item would be a portable power pack by Rav Power. Got some more Neds, my Ray-Bans that I don't know why they're in there. Some Senkos, my iPod remote, some cords, chargers, a few MEPs, a scale, and all my Talon remotes too. These are my Talon remotes to drop the Talons, but I have one mounted right there, and I have one mounted right at the front of the boat. That's about, we'll do it for the glove box. I just kind of cleaned that, but it looks a little bit messy. It's really not. That's more of like an organized mess, just a little random stuff. So then you maneuver on over. Got your beef jerky storage up top. You got your Helix 10. This is that's my trim. That's my jack plate, hot foot down there. My control board for my live wells, the bilge, the anchor lights, fans. So what I was just doing, like when I was cleaning the boat, like those fans would be a perfect idea right now to turn them on. Everything might be just a little bit damp. It's probably not soaked, but just damp. If I turn those fans on, it will be drying out all the underneath storage. So this pretty much powers everything on the boat or anything that you want to do on the boat. Come back here, you got the Mercury 250. You guys have seen that from the boat walkthrough. My Talons. But the most important, another locked thing. This is all the pride and glory. So I got everything from crankbaits. I think that one's actually peas, because there's a bunch of random stuff in there that I don't even really know what it is. But I got a bunch of more top water here, some top water spooks, some rattle traps, some more crankbaits, some swim baits, crankbaits right here. These are all my jigs, pretty much any color jig you would need for fishing the Midwest. I have some jerk baits as well in here. This is a few more jigs, a random topwater lure in there. And last but not least, this is kind of like a hodgepodge of spinner baits, buzz baits, more crankbaits, more jerk baits, a topwater rat lure that actually looks kind of interesting that I might want to do a video for. But yeah, so I got all my tackle back here, pretty nice storage. This one is the only one that does not have that assisted opening. So this one just kind of closes like so. All right, so I moved inside. I'm sweating my balls off again. It is like 85 degrees out, 90 degrees out. I got the boat all washed up, all cleaned up. You guys pretty much have seen everything from bow to stern. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope the angles were good so you guys can see everything. If you saw the boat about a week ago, you probably would have thought I was living out of it because I had clothes everywhere, I had fishing tackle everywhere, but it all turned out well. So the moment you guys have all been waiting for, the 300 subscriber giveaway. I've looked at the comments, I've seen everything, and it's been about a week and a half since I posted that video. And how you entered was you just commented your favorite part of that video. I'm gonna do multiple more like that. But the winner, the one winner that I chose to win the Follow the Action Hog Hunter hat, which I do not have on, the Hog Hunter shirt, which I do have on, and the 14-inch Follow the Action Outdoors decal. So the one winner that I chose has been with me since the start, that comments on every single video, every single Instagram post, since the beginning. I was under 100 followers on Instagram, and now I'm up to 3,700. And on YouTube, he was subscribed before I even had 10 subscribers. So this guy's been with me since the start, comments on everything, likes everything. The winner of the 300 subscriber giveaway, can I get a drum roll? The winner is Real Life Fishing. Congratulations. I appreciate everyone who entered this giveaway. There's gonna be multiple more giveaways to come, a lot more prizes to come in the future. So be sure, watch for it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another episode of McGrath Fishing. Tune in this Friday to see an epic Follow the Action boat wrap video. Guys, it's unreal. I can't even really give any hints away. All I'm gonna say is Sticker Dude, who is nationwide known, has been seen on Discovery Channel, wrap the boat for Follow the Action. I figured I'd film a vlog out of it. It's a really cool vlog, so go check it out this Friday. It'll be out at 3 p.m. this Friday, Central Time. And that'll do it for today's video. I will see you guys Friday. hit that like button, subscribe, and I'm out.